Hey out there in YouTube, what's going on today? Well, that's right, it is our favorite time of the month. The PMP Prep Box is back here in the shop. We've been waiting for this one for a while. This one's gonna be kinda cool, so stay tuned right after we roll that great little intro, and we're gonna show you what's in that box. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the PMP Prep Box, all I gotta say is take a look up here somewhere on top of the screen. I'm gonna leave a little card up there that shows every single box that I've reviewed. In essence, it's a monthly subscription box with only 2 levels. You have level 1, which is gonna run you, I think it's $50 a month plus shipping, and level 2, which is $100 a month plus shipping. Now, this month, there's really not a theme. Like the last couple months has been like fire, camp cutting, cutting tools. There you go, Jason. I freaking did it again. But as we usually do, guys, that's what's in this month's box. So go ahead, pause, take your screenshots, whatever, but it don't matter. We're going to be taking a look at this. All right. Now, for those of you who didn't see his hints on the PMP Facebook page or, basically his social media, this month's box is centered around a pack. What I really truly love, not to mention, oh hey guys, I don't know if you saw that. This is a first for him. He gives you the price and basically where you can find it online. It's kind of cool. But like I said, this month's is centered around a pack. So in level 1, he just gets that pack right out of the way. It's the Red Rock Assault Pack with a value of $59.99. And I guess you can find it at redrockoutdoorgear.com. Get out of here. Alright, it is a big guy. And honestly, it reminds me of something I got from SOG not too long ago. Alright, that's kind of cool. So it's got Molly, as you can see, right here and here. It's got Molly on the sides. I do love the web kind of cushion backing that it has. It helps promote airflow. There's a pocket down here. That's kind of cool. It's got some little Velcro stuff up here if you want to put like a morale patch. But let's open this dude up. Take a look on the inside. Of course. Alright, well, there's your secondary compartment. Don't know if you can see too well in there. Now I like that. It folds basically flat. That is kind of cool, where you can store some small stuff in here, be able to position it however you want, and you can get her closed, no problem. And these other ones look pretty much standard from every other pack that I've ever seen for, the tertiary stuff. Okay. So that's the first item. I like how it says right here, reinforced carry handle, mesh ventilated padded back panel with Velcro top closure. Fully adjustable and contoured. Minimum 2 liters. Okay, well it doesn't say what size it is. No big deal. Look, it says it's H2O compatible, so somewhere in here you can flip a camelback. Kind of cool. Alright, let's go on to the next one. Now this one reminded me of something I brought to the channel before. I brought the Life Straw, basically water bottle. I'm going to leave a card somewhere up top there. This one is by Aqua Mira. There's the back. Same principle. Oops, sorry. Same principle on the inside. Your water filter goes there. This one appears to have only like 20 ounces. And there's your fill line. And these things are replaceable, as they put it, the GRN style. So, I mean, you've all seen these in like Walmart before, so finding replacements is going to be no problem. And I bet if you go out to Aqua Mira's website, you're going to have no problem finding those. Okay, that's it for level 1. Not bad. Overall value is $89.98. And, oh, sorry. The Aqua Mira bottle has a value of $29.99, and you can find it at aquamira.com. Alright, let's move on to level 2. Honestly, guys, there's only 5 items in this box, so hopefully it's not going to be another half-hour video for you. Alright, first item up is the Maxpedition Fatty Pocket Organizer. Value of $30.99, and you can find it on maxpedition.com. Most of you guys have already seen these things. I like the fact it's got Velcro here for like a morale patch. I like the front. You can put stuff in there. And there's your inside. And there's your back with Molly and a little handle. The only drawback that I see is there's really, unless you get like one of those external Molly sticks, there's really no way for you to attach this to your pack. So, no biggie. But I still like it. I think it's still awesome. Now, Jason, if you're watching, bro, this is the first item you've ever sent that I think is a piece of crap, because I think it's just so, it's so played out, you know? This is the Outdoor Element Fire Beaner, $14.95 from OutdoorElement.com. There you go. It's a multi-tool carabiner that's rated for 100 pounds for gear only, not for people. So I can see where maybe you can use this to hang your bag out there. But right there is your little ferro rod. Right down here, your little spark tool. There's all the uses on the back. Sorry, brother. I know you like this because I saw the video of you playing around with it. I just think these things are crap. Maybe somebody else is going to like it. I don't know, but that's just me. Now, this surprised me. All right, and this is the last item in the box. It's from Columbia River Knife and Tool. It's the CRKT, I hope I'm saying this right, Pazota Frame Lock. Haha, I already took it out. I'm going to show you in a moment. But this thing is kind of cool. It reminds me of a review I did a little bit ago, but I haven't uploaded it yet, of a 511 tactical knife. Now, it's kind of neat. I believe the steel, and let me double check here. Yeah, it's just a budget steel of 8CR13 MOV. It's got, you know, the gray titanium, as they put it, nitride coating. Kind of like what Gerber does with all the stuff, that gray tritium stuff. So, you know, it's not bad. It surprised me, dude, and sending out a CRKT blade. I didn't think we'd be getting any cutting implements for a little while after last month's box. That's kind of cool. Alright, guys, seriously, that's it for this month's box. Level 2 has an overall value of $79.93, and if I didn't say it, Level 1's got a retail value of $89.98 for a total value of $165.91. So if you spent $100 and basically paid $13 for shipping, you're still coming out way ahead. Now, like we usually do, we're going to set all this up, and I'm going to give you a quick overview, or I should say rundown, like we always do with every box that we have. So hold on a moment. Alrighty, guys, so there we go for the PMP prep box in October. He really didn't give it a name, and I don't want to call this the pack box, but like I said, he centered it around a pack. Now, that pack is kind of cool. I mean, you can get some really good stuff in there. You know, if you got to get moving, that's cool. Use it in your vehicle as like a get-home bag. You know, that's kind of awesome. Everyone loves Maxpedition, you know, Fat Boys. Water, way to purify and way to drink on the go. That is awesome. Fire Beaner, maybe one of you guys like it. And everyone who's watched my channel knows I loves me some CRKT knives. So, that's enough of my little wild babbling. You know, it's my really quick overview, really quick look at it. I want to know what all of you think. You know, leave me your questions, comments, hatred, man. Leave me everything down below. I want to hear it. You know, I'll get back to you. Now, if you're a first-time viewer of my channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to view this video. This is, I think, our 8th month of bringing the PMP prep boxes to the channel, and he's doing pretty good so far. He hasn't had any that I absolutely hate, and there's not really been a lot that's disgusted me with gear, except maybe that Fire Beaner, but that's a personal choice of mine. Now, For you wonderful people who have been viewing for a while and haven't subscribed, this is your chance to do it, guys. Right down there in that corner, you're going to see a channel logo pop up. Man, go ahead and click on that thing, because that is going to bring you right to subscribe. After you destroy that subscribe button, please make sure to beat up that bell icon, because once you do that, you're going to get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog of videos that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. The October PMP Prep Box. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great one.